For the past decade, every smartphone company on Earth has been obsessed with making phones tall, skinny, and narrow. That we went from 16:9 to 18:9, then 19.5:9, and even 21:9, also you could hold your phone comfortably in one hand while scrolling social media. Well, Huawei just looked at that entire trend and said, end quote, "No thanks," end quote. This is the Huawei Nova X. It is a non-folding, traditional slab phone, except it comes with an ultra-weird 16:10 display aspect ratio. It's short, it's wide, and it feels like someone took a mini tablet and stuffed it straight into a smartphone body. Add in a massive 7000 mAh battery and two completely different hardware tiers, and you have one of the most bizarre devices on the market. So, why on earth did Huawei make a phone this wide, and is this chunky aspect ratio actually the ultimate productivity secret? Let's break it down. Let and Oppo's talk about the elephant in the room, how this thing actually feels in your hand. Because of that 16:10 aspect ratio, which is usually reserved for tablets or compact laptops, the Nova X is noticeably short and extremely wide. If you try to use this phone one-handed, good luck. Reaching your thumb to the opposite edge of the screen feels like a full workout. It feels bulky, a bit clumsy, and undeniably wide in the palm. It throws all modern smartphone ergonomics right out the window. Instead of slipping effortlessly into a front pocket, it sits broad and heavy. If you are used to slender, curved flagships, picking up the Nova X for the first time is going to give you absolute severe culture shock. But before you write this design off as a complete mistake, there is a massive silver lining. The moment you turn on the screen and open a document, a website, or a complex spreadsheet, you immediately understand why Huawei built this. Horizontal screen real estate on standard phones is terrible for productivity. Text gets squished, columns get cut off, and you constantly have to scroll left and right. On the Nova X and Oppo's S1610 canvas, everything breathes. Desktop websites render naturally without forcing mobile views. Reading PDFs feels like holding an e-reader. Lying in bed reviewing documents or editing video timelines gives you a spacious, mini-tablet experience without having to unfold a fragile inner glass screen. It turns out, being wide ISN and Oppo's just a quirk, for heavy productivity users, it and Oppo's a cheat code. And because the body of the Nova X is so wide, Huawei was able to do something impossible on thin, narrow phones. They crammed a colossal 7000 mAh battery inside this chassis. Think about that for a second. Standard flagship phones give you 4,500 to 5,000 mAh if you and Oppo's, lucky. The Nova X packs enough juice to easily run for 2, maybe even 3 days of heavy usage on a single charge. Whether you are binge-watching content on that broad display or using it as a portable workstation, battery anxiety simply doesn't and Oppo's exist here. The extra width suddenly makes total sense when you realize it houses a literal power bank under the hood. Now, Huawei ISN and Oppo's selling just one version of this wide wonder, they created two distinctly different hardware tiers. First, you have the standard variant. This model is powered by the Kirin 8030 processor and sports a clean, dual-camera system on the rear. It's designed as a practical, entry-level option for those who just want the wide screen and the giant battery life. Then, there is the premium flagship variant. This version steps up to the much more powerful Kirin 9020S chipset. The camera array expands to a triple camera setup featuring a professional Periscope telephoto lens for crisp long-range optical zoom. On top of that, the high-end variant adds wireless charging support and upgrades to a noticeably higher quality display panel with superior color depth and brightness. The Huawei Nova X is undoubtedly one of the strangest smartphones released this year. By trading away comfortable one-handed operation, Huawei created a non-folding mini-tablet with a massive 7000 mAh battery and great document viewing space. It's definitely not a phone for everyone, but if you and Oppo's tired of tall, skinny screens and want something genuinely unique, the Nova X stands in a league of its own.